Hello there, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Silo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course, to make sure that you do share this video, guys. It has been a while since we heard anything from Gogo Skuteni. She hasn't been trending for quite some time now. The last time we heard of her was when she debuted her newborn baby here on social media, and that was a really good news. So she has been away from controversy. We haven't been hearing her beef with Gogo Maweni, rather, because we know once Uskuteni trends, Maweni has to be involved. It seems like she's back again in the spotlight, and Gogo Maweni is not involved at all. Now, we do know that Gogo Skuteni has been accused, of scamming people their hard-earned money. If you book Gogo Skuteni, just know that you're doing it at your own risk, as there's been a lot, not even 3, not even 4 people who have been coming on social media to say that they have fallen victim to Gogo Skuteni scamming them. Now, apparently, this guy did a TikTok live whereby he reveals that Gogo Skuteni scammed somebody over 7,500 rands. You guys, now he has been going back and forth with Gogo Skuteni, telling Gogo Skuteni to pay back the money. And of course, Gogo Skuteni being Gogo Skuteni, even though that had been received, shown to her, you guys. Now, people were not approving of the way that this guy was handling this whole matter, as he was, using vulgar words addressing Gogo Skuteni. Guys, I think I've said quite enough, so let me not waste your time, but quickly insert that live here. Before I do that, to make sure that you do subscribe, you engage with me in the comment section, so you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Please check this out.
Sanibona Gogo Skuteni, uyaphila? Ngiyaphila. Ukhuluma noThabani Bongani wakaHlatshwayo. Yes, umnikazi we-Hot Seat Channel, lo abamsaba bathi udume ngothuka inyanga. Kodwa bangisukela ngithuki mina inyanga. Yeah, no, ngikufonela nje kunomuntu ofike kwi-channel yami, wafike wazokhalaza ukuthi waba nedeal nawe, and then uma ngabe ba nedeal yokuthi uzomdijela, kwase kuba nenkinga because wakhokha uhalf but wangasho apha. Uma ngabe sethi uyalandelela ukuthi azothola i-refund, uthi nagcina libe ne-miscommunication, kwagcina kuxatshenwe, wazama nokuya kuphika ukuthi alekelele, but then kwandla ngamuka nomoya ngoba vele bese nivele niqabene. So bese ngikuthinta nje ngenkulu inhlonipho, ngithi I know man, olimele akaphephise kulungisimo, sikhona ukuthi at least silungise le matter, nawe ube happy emoyeni wakho, naye abe happy emoyeni wakhe. Silungiseni. Angizwa?
Ubani lo?
Udambu, yilone lokho njani? One lokho ne tavern laphana eAmasfort.
eAmasfort wabhuka kuphi?
Uthi wa contact direct, wabhuka waze wakhokha, wakusendela ne-proof of payment. Yes. Okay.
Next time, for me, let's start it's not Charlie Fortin that is continue.
Yeah,
that is on the call, yeah, please.
No problem.
Your call has been placed on hold. Please wait.
Isahloniphana. Ebut.
Your call has been placed on hold.
Ebut.
Recharge your account before attempting any further calls.
We are looking down upon him, but having his money back is everything.
Can I interfere?
Yeah, you can interfere.
lendawo bekasibukhele yona iowner ibuyele back ithi wathi ucela senze ABC. So furthermore ngicela ukuthi
but umuntu gogoskhotheni ngicela ukukhuluma something ungangiblock ngicela ukukhuluma mana gogoskhotheni ungangiblock ngicela ukukhuluma something. Umuntu mangabe wenze naye udeal boss awungayenzi lento gogoskhotheni awungayenzi leyo nto uvala ifoni utshela iboss uthi ayivala ifoni. No, it must be not a boss then. Soxabana ngempela sizoxabana ngempela. Me call your boss separately. Baba.
Hello?
Baba.
Hello?
Yes, Baba.
Hello?
Yes. Hello?
Like I'm saying to you, you can't come back a year later, 1 year, 6 months.
Yeah, but because the matter was not resolved and there's a proof.
It was not resolved. The people that were doing that, why are they not in this call? Because they were the person that did.
The person is here in my life. I just honor Gogo Skhotheni for not giving her a chance to come here,
No,
but call her privately.
The person.
But you can't allow your bitch to be disrespectful to us. Your home must respect. You must just utumela apha endunini kanyowo when it comes to me, because ayikho into ongayenza phe kwamakhanda abantu usebenzisa fame to tremble on them. There's nothing you can do. Nothing. Mawuyithi utumela apha egolweni likanyowo, not kubantu, because abantu they deserve to be treated in respect because they paid you. Utumi, this guy paid her, but to claim uba smart, yet the guy paid. There's a proof of payment. They are just supposed to render the services. They are supposed to give him services that he paid for. If they cannot bring the services, then they are supposed to refund. Them claiming to be better, celebrity, thinking that people are going to support their nonsense. Fuck, there is nothing that is going to escape this site. No, la siphethe la sutshela masimba. Nansi number lo manager, everyone call him. Siyabadinga la manager, call the manager now. Line number manager, if he doesn't answer siyamfonela like everyone else. If he doesn't answer siyamfonela like everyone else. 073 459 itini 5352. Siyayikeep asina ngxaki. Asina manager thina. Manager umgaqo. Asina uthi manager semgaqweni. Manager qola abantu. Please phone this number on WhatsApp. Phone this number on WhatsApp. Phone this number on WhatsApp. I phone le number on WhatsApp. Eka manager thinteni. 073. I'm sorry. Ithi ngiqale phana. No, sengicasukile yazi. Sengicasukile. Sengicasukile. Ingicikile leno. You know what, awungaza ngikwazi. I fuck you say. Sathi fine ngikwazi yini to resolve the matter of people. Afala ngikwazi. Why should I know you? I don't give a damn about you. Even knowing you and not knowing you, it doesn't add no value in my life. Fuck indaba yakho. Mina nginaso leso sikhathi. Fuck indaba yakho. Don't forget to angisabi futhi. Angigcini ngokungakwazi nokusaba ngisabi. Lento uthi ngithetha ngikwazi mina ngisabi. Azongisabisa mina. Sabisa inyo efile. Sabisa umuntu wasemnambili ngenyo efile. I'm from Ladysmith. Angisabisi ngenyo efile. Siyanondla guys, you guys must respect us. Siyanondla. Celebrities, we feed you. You must respect us. We buy tickets, we come to your events because we feed you. You guys must respect us. You are not celebrities without us. So you must respect us. Yeah. There's no way. Hey. Yabona, this is a beauty without a mind, and this is a pure example of a woman that is beautiful but brainless. This is a clear example. If you want a clear example of a beautiful woman without a mind, this one is a proper example. Everywhere you go, if you want to remember someone beautiful but no brain, you must know Tumi is number one. You cannot say people that are feeding you are useless. You cannot say that. You can't say that. Not unless if you have enjoyed being a prostitute for so long, then you are heartless. But you can never say people that are feeding you are useless. You can never say that. You can never say that. I'm telling you. You can't say that. You cannot say that. And then ngihloniphile lesifebe and lesifebe sabiza umanager waso. And nalo manager uyamuzwa kusiwa manager lo. Khuluma amasimba nje. Awuthi yakhe abasebenzisana naye ukuthi bakhuluma amasimba. Because
Angibonanga. No, sorry about that, but I'll ask. That's why ngithi yazi ngizokubuzisisa kahle, but I know ukuthi my manager kadilithanga yimi nje umuntu othixintsha phone. I hope he does have those things. Then ubona ukuthi on my side iphutha nginalo. You understand? Then I'll get back to you.
So mina njengami nje ngoba ngakhuluma nawe. Bele sithi
That is why ngithi ngicela ungilinde nami ngizwe ukuthi uthini. Uzubona ukuthi iphutha likiso kimi. If him or wrong, if we're wrong, then we have a conclusion based on that.
awudume mfowethu lo muntu beboshwa. Angeke kuthiwe mfethu wena somlahla.
Wena ngifuna imbuzi nje, ngifuna imbuzi nje.
Hawu dume yadlala.
Wena siyabonga uzuyekele lo angithuke kangaka. Yesiyabonga. Yazi nama ehleka kokutshela unje vele.
Yasebenza mina Tumi.
Akusukusebenza lento. Uzokhula.
Inkinga yakho Tumi. Yabona laphana ngizama ukuchaza something ngizama ukungena kahle. Wena
no bengafuni manager mikhulume bengakhulumi na ngithe mina akathule angakhulumi like angakhulumi because I was like, oh, I'm being recorded. And now when you call me bangisendela ama message. It's people that I don't know whether they're watching your live or what. But bangisendela ama message. I'm like, so mangihloka ngale ngithi lo bhuti ungibisa ngesifebe ungazelaphi. I'm like, and that's when I said to my manager, keep quiet. That is why maqala ungifona. I was very calm nami yabo, wanting to understand what's happening. So mangithi ngale ngiyabona ukuthi you are alive, and then uyangithuka ngathi manager mthula wena musukhuluma ungasakhulumi nje thula ukuthi ufe.
No.
Uyathukana
hayi ngiyasebenza.
Hayi akunamsebenzi Dexla. So uyayibona ukuthi uyasebenza but awukangibuzi kube ungibuzile kube wena ufonele mina as much as ufonela usabonga nami wangifonela kuqala wangibuza Sikhotheni kwenzakalani la bese ngachaza ngimthukile naye lokunikeza inamba yami uzishilo ngamthuka
ngikhulumile naye wangitshela
ukuthi ungitshela
ukuthi usubuya komthuka so ngavele ngama